17 साल, अरे वाह. That's why in Nepal there is no Independence Day. Drink, come on. Yeah. What's your name? And we have to run. Right in Thamel Market. Nightclubs.
You can see that there's a kukri dance.
Sarangi.
Nepali violin.
Oh, this place is so nice. मेरा पहला बार है. Happening kind of spot. Sinners Heaven restaurant. There's a club up.
Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we are going to explore Thamel. Thamel is one of the busiest and happening place in Kathmandu. But before we go to Thamel, we are going to Thimi. We are going to meet with our young friend and we will have a great time and we'll roam around, and with him we are going to Thamel and explore something. Keep watching and waiting what is on your screen this evening. Take care, see you guys.
So hello everyone, मैं हूं अंशुमन. वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग. आई होप आपको आज अंकल से व्लॉग का इंट्रोडक्शन सुन के मज़ा आया होगा. सो या एज अंकल सेड, आज हम जा रहे हैं टू एक्सप्लोर थामिल मार्केट विच इज़ अ वेरी हैपनिंग प्लेस इन काठमांडू. तो यस, सबसे पहले वी आर गोइंग टू थिमी.
Thimi.
नेम ऑफ द प्लेस इज थिमी.
Thimi.
सो वी आर गोइंग फर्स्ट टू थिमी. वहाँ से and yeah, we will be meeting one more Mr. Milwangaman, and from there we will be going to Thamel. So stay tuned in the vlog. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
मनोज.
मनोज. आपको हिंदी आता है ना?
हिंदी आता है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
ओके.
आप तो भूल गया ना, पहले तो दिल्ली में रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, दिल्ली में
17 साल.
17 साल, अरे वाह. ये कौन सा जगह है?
ये पेप्सी कोला.
पेप्सी कोला. ओके.
ये काठमांडू एरिया आ गया ना.
काठमांडू एरिया ना.
अभी आप लोग पहले निकले थे वो ललितपुर.
ललितपुर. So this is the proper Kathmandu area.
बालन सिटी. काठमांडू बालन सिटी.
अच्छा.
काठमांडू का मेयर है बालन.
ये अच्छा. वो बकरा लेके जा रहा है. आज दावत होगा उसके घर पे.
ये कैसे बोल सकते हो, बकरा है या बकरी? वो बकरी भी हो सकता है.
ये बकरा है.
ये
बकरा है.
छोटा वाला बकरा है.
छोटा वाला बकरा. Got the answer. ये तो बकरा या बकरी पता है. बकरा ना, छोटा बकरा. आज दावत होगा उसके घर पे.
ये काटने के लिए.
अच्छा, काटने के लिए फिर बेचेंगे उसको. ओह अच्छा.
1400 रुपये किलो है.
1400 रुपये किलो.
फिर इधर है ना, ये बाहर का खाल होता है ना.
हाँ.
इन्हें फट के नहीं देता.
अच्छा,
हाल के साथ बनाते हैं ना?
हाल के साथ बनाते
हाल के साथ.
हाँ, मैं खाया था 2016 में.
ओके.
मैं गया था धुलीखेल
हैं. धुलीखेल.
2016 में. 2016 हाँ.
सिटी.
नहीं, वहाँ पे एक रिसोर्ट में गया था हम लोग का.
धुलीखेल रिसोर्ट.
हाँ, धुलीखेल रिसोर्ट बोल के है. मिस्टर श्रेष्ठा उसका मालिक है. तो लास्ट वाला दिन हमें बकरे का मीट खिला और वो स्किन के साथ था. वो इतना टेस्टी लाजवाब था. सोचे कि 8 साल हो गया, दिन बीत गए, लेकिन जो टेस्ट था अभी भी
याद है.
तो आप अगर कभी कोई भी आप जो देख रहे हैं कभी नेपाल आते हैं तो जरूर मटन करी खाओ. बकरे का
स्किन वाला ना, विद
स्किन के साथ खाओ, तब आएगा मजा. और नेपाली लोग इतना स्वादिष्ट खाना बनाते हैं. आई लव नेपाली फूड.
मतलब गैस क्लब सब है.
हेलो.
हेलो. हाय हाय हाय.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते. कम आइए. स्वागत है हमारा नगरी में.
नगरी.
इन्हें नगरी
सिटी.
सिटी. हमारे नगरी में सिटी है. हमारे नगरी में सिटी.
आपका नगरी में सिटी है.
So okay, now we are going to the church.
So this is Bethel Assembly Church.
Yeah, I'm here, mate.
So yeah.
How are you? I'm fine. How are you?
Good. I'm good. We are making vlog.
Yeah.
This is our church.
Okay.
And we worship, we work, preaching, we dance.
I've got privilege to come here several times.
Several times. So this
Preach here.
Saturday, the children will come.
Okay. For Sunday school.
Yeah, Sunday school.
College. Sunday school.
Saturday. It's
Saturday school. We call it Sunday
So
school.
in Nepal, official holidays are on Saturday.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it was made by people, the children.
Oh, this art.
Paint.
Nice.
So this all.
Okay. So in Nepal, official holidays are on Saturdays, not Sundays. So yeah,
You have to be careful.
I'll try my best to be careful.
Sometimes some snakes also may be here.
Snakes. Snakes.
Sometimes
Very fun.
you walk properly because if you put your legs here and there,
Yeah, I might step into mud.
you will step into.
कोई बात नहीं.
Okay?
Trying my best to not step in the mud. And done.
Now, the challenging is you have to come on.
Yeah. So यारो अब हम जा रहे हैं डायरेक्ट टू थामिल मार्केट. Right, uncle?
Yes. It will take 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it might take more than 30 minutes,
Yeah.
depend on the traffic.
Yes.
Because we are going to one of the busiest area of Kathmandu.
Kathmandu.
Okay.
And it is worth being busy though. You will
Yes.
see. You will see it.
You
You
can
will
see
see
that
it.
there is the airport
There's an
where you are
airport.
flying tomorrow.
Yes.
See, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Oh, you can see the plane.
Oh, yeah. That's
Nice.
Nepal Airlines, I guess.
Yes, Nepal Airlines. Yeah, it's just moving. Oh, just flying there. Look at that. Oh, wait. Oh, gone. Yeah.
This is the parliament of Nepal. And this is Nobel Academy school bus. Here is this guy, the YouTuber.
So I hope you guys could see the Parliament of Nepal. And we are again on traffic.
This is Martyrs Gate.
Okay, Martyrs Gate. Okay,
Yeah.
this place is called Dharahara.
Yeah, Dharahara.
Okay, and there is a watchtower, I guess.
Watch towers, yes.
Yeah. So guys, let me tell you an interesting and very important fact about Nepal, that Nepal has never been colonized by any other countries. Like कोई भी country ने कभी भी नेपाल के ऊपर rule नहीं किया, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so look how Nepal, like how strong Nepal is. And yeah, so that's why in Nepal there is no Independence Day.
No.
Okay, but
We have a Democracy Day.
Democracy Day. And when is that?
It is Nepali. It's February. Month of February. Yes.
In month of February there is a Democracy Day.
We will celebrate Democracy Day.
Yes. We are nearing to Tamil market.
लेकिन बड़ा चैलेंज ये होगा कि हमें पार्किंग करना पड़ेगा।
और वो तो बहुत दिक्कत है। बहुत
आगे
दिक्कत
में
है।
आई थिंक आगे में लेफ्ट साइड को एक है वो
हाई रूल के पास।
Parking spot.
हाई रूल पिज्जा के साथ।
हम लोग लास्ट टाइम किए थे वहाँ पे पार्किंग,
Yes.
याद है?
Uncle is actually very excited to have firewood pizza.
Yeah, because we are hungry.
Hungry. And yeah.
And pizza is angry little bit.
Yeah.
Hungry man.
And-
is a angry
and-
man.
Every day is for pizza. Right?
Every day?
Yeah, like you don't have any specific days to have pizza, right? जब
yeah.
mood हुआ,
Yeah.
जब मन करेगा, you can have pizza.
Or once like you people come here and just enjoy and eat together. This is what it works.
Yes. And guys, here we reach to Thamel market and यहाँ से शुरू होता है Thamel area. So, yeah.
Tourist area.
Okay, what is this? So many flags.
Yeah, this is Shark office.
Okay, Sri Lanka,
South
India,
Association Park.
Pakistan, Bangladesh flags
Yeah,
are there.
Shark office. Yeah.
Okay,
So you can get
Yeah,
foreign exchange counter.
parking.
Okay, there's a parking और फिर हम लोग उतर जाते हैं. पार्किंग करके अंकल से मिलते हैं. So हमने रख दिया कार पार्किंग में. Now we are about to explore the beautiful Thamel market. Yeah. And as said before, we will try having firewood pizza.
Also, yeah. Oh,
Yes.
with him.
With Mr. Mukund uncle.
Okay.
We are having a great time here, right?
Yes, very nice. It was very nice because these shows also we are. I'm like you know.
Great.
Look at this.
Men in Black.
Men in Black. Oh, Men in Black, yeah.
Yeah, Men in Black.
And both is black now. See?
Yes.
So,
So yeah, we're
I
gonna
hope
have
you guys
pizza.
like pizza. And if you are visiting in Kathmandu, Thamel, come and have a look here. Thank you. And here I am. This is a different way.
That's a lime soda, right?
Yeah, this is a lime soda. Generally in India, they will bring lime soda fully prepared. But this is the first time I'm seeing that they will bring the sodas separately. This is the soda bottle.
Yeah.
And they will lime mixed with the sugar syrup and what are the order you have given. And you have to mix by yourself. You can see how it's bubbling.
Yeah.
It's like
this.
it. Oh, you can see.
If you put down there,
Drink, come on. Yeah.
yeah, you are a strong man.
What's your name?
My name is Sushmita.
Sushmita. Okay.
This is your ensalada.
That's the salad.
Yeah. You want some pepper?
Yeah, of course. We want some.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is salad. Don't worry, we are not giving you, so better keep yourself away from this.
I'm not having salad. Yeah. I'll definitely try
Shall I
it.
put in this? This is one. This is one.
Thank you, brother. How's the pizza? It's good?
It's good.
Hey, very nice, delicious.
Delicious, huh?
Yeah.
So it's raining, but we have no choice. And we have to run. Oh man. Oh yeah. So there have been a heavy rain now. I guess after some time बारिश शायद छूट जाएगा, पर ये देखो सड़क फुल हो गया है पानी से. कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग देन सारे वेदर्स को फेस करना पड़ेगा. And guys, we are right in Thamel market, and I can see lots of nightclubs and few hotels. Oh, little पोखरा piece. And बारिश फिर से शुरू हो गया है. So we have stopped again, and that's again a club, Oasis Club, Buzz Bar, Dreams with Dreams. So yeah, Thamel market is famous for nightlife, so definitely clubs to honge. So we are having a fantastic tea in a beautiful clothes store. जरा दिखाओ. आपका नाम क्या है भैया?
मेरा नाम ईश्वर है.
किशोर.
ईश्वर.
ईश्वर. Yes, sure. Nice name.
आपका नाम?
अंजुमन.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मैं राम हरी खनाल.
राम हरी.
हरी खनाल.
Okay. Yeah, so nice. I don't know whether he's going to buy something for me or not. I'm wondering.
See,
So-
I'm buying few beautiful gifts for few people जिनका नाम मैं लूँगा नहीं अभी. So yeah, that's gonna be a surprise. Okay.
And they are so gracious given
Yeah.
tea also.
And the tea is very tasty. So we are taking few stuffs from this store, and मैं बोलूँगा नहीं किसके लिए क्या ले रहा हूँ. Again, gifts. So this is called khukuri.
Yeah, kukuri. Nepali. Nishan.
Nepali nishan.
Nishan,
Traditional knife.
Yeah, traditional knife. Yeah, you have to always. Yeah, you have to put like this, you know.
Experience.
So just put there. With this. You never do like this. Otherwise, what happens, you know? This will go and cut your hand. So better always left hand.
Left hand.
And put this one right hand. Yes, just do it.
Wow.
Yes, just it. Yeah, yes. So you have to be careful, huh? Yes.
Never catch like this. Like this, just
Like this
Oh,
also.
like this.
That is also
हुँदैन यसरी समाएर हात गाडी हाल्नु.
काट्नु सक्छ.
तो इसका
ये
sharpness
धार होइन बैलेंस में नहीं होगा तो
या बैलेंस नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर वैसे वैसे हो जाता है.
4 फिंगर 8 हो गए.
8 होता है.
4 finger 8 हो जाएगा.
So are you taking the kukri?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see that there's a kukri dance, and he can dance this kukri dance for you.
This is called sarang.
सारंगी.
Sarangi.
नेपाली भाइलन.
Nepali violin. Okay. So this is Thamel market, guys. Oh,
See,
Boise.
last time we were here, remember?
We go straight. So you basically get almost everything of Nepal in Thamel market. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
मैं कृष्ण विष्णु के.
कृष्ण. और आपका सर?
महबूब आलम.
महबूब आलम. ओके, तो ये बेसिकली क्लॉथ स्टोर है एंड यहाँ पे अलग अलग कंट्री फ्लैग्स के क्या बोलते हैं इसको
द फ्लैग कंट्रीज
स्टिकर जो स्टिच हो जाता है बैग्स में
हाँ
ना।
जी, हाँ जी, हाँ।
तो ये है और यहाँ से मैं इंडिया और नेपाल का ले रहा हूँ और थैंक यू सो मच
Welcome.
मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा। Oh, this place is so nice. I'll go here. So उधर और नहीं जाते हैं, स्टोर ऐसे में भी बंद है। So I'm enjoying in Tamil market, Kathmandu. We'll see. Hello, 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 hello.
कस्तो छ राम्रो छ
राम्रो छ।
पीछे जाएगा बैक
It's a Korean restaurant and nightclub with dance. It's another club. So this is Tamil. Some live music.
वाओ
There's a club up there. चल रहा है music. I think the entire Tamil market looks different at night, no?
Yes, yes. It will be 24 hours.
24 hours, na? So Tamil is basically the place which never sleeps. एंड जबकि नाइट लाइफ के लिए तमिल मार्केट इज़ फेमस तो क्लब्स तो होंगे ही एंड देयर आर टू मेनी क्लब्स.
I think this is my maybe 5th or 6th time I'm coming to Tamil.
5th or 6th time?
Yeah.
Okay. So he has been here for 5th or 6th time. मेरा पहला बार है. And I am genuinely loving this spot. You know, it's quite a very, very happening kind of spot, I would say. Mama ke kitchen. Mama ke kitchen.
Mama ke kitchen, huh?
Does that mean uncle's kitchen?
Yes, Mama.
Mama ke kitchen.
Oh, is there road? No road. Sorry.
Very good.
We have to go back. We have to go back. To reach our car.
So we got into the wrong lane, exploring the beautiful Tamil street for you guys, of course. तो सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है, लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट्स भी.
फिर ऐसे जाएंगे ना. Ali. एंड जो लोग नेपाल आते हैं उनमें से बहुत लोग दे गो फॉर हाइकिंग, इसीलिए काफ़ी सारे स्टोर्स में यू कैन फाइंड हाइकिंग बैग्स, हाइकिंग स्टिक. आई डोंट नो उसको हाइकिंग स्टिक बोलते हैं या क्या क्या बोलते हैं, आई डोंट नो, बट या जस्ट बिकॉज लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल गो ऑन हाइकिंग. तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे स्टोर्स में you can find that hiking stick and hiking bag. I guess we lost the other side. चलो. Restaurant, bar, hotel, spa and clubs. That's all about Tamil market. No? Lots of clubs, pubs. Yeah.
We find here. That's one more. Yeah.
Susanna is there somewhere in.
Some drivers in Nepal are just crazy. Uh-oh. Sinner's Heaven restaurant and bar, rooftop bar. Okay, along with the live music. जूते थोड़े बहुत गंदे हुए हैं, but I guess until and unless your boots are not dirty, तब तक आप ठीक तरीके से घूमे नहीं हो. So your boots need to get dirty. दाल भात पावर 24 hours. Crazy. There are lots of Kashmiri shawls here, but Kashmiri का spelling अलग है. Cashmere. That's kind of cashmere. Okay. Wow. तो हम लोग बस घूम ही रहे हैं और हम खो गए हैं, बट आई गेस इवेंचुअली वी विल फाइंड आवर कार। ये देखो द स्टिक्स, हाइकिंग स्टिक्स। चिकन मोमो, पफ मोमो, एंड नेपाल इज फेमस फॉर बफेलो मोमो। मैंने ऑलरेडी कह चुका है बहुत बार।
Oh yeah, you have to follow.
मंडू बर्गर अभी अच्छी तरीके से डार्क हुआ नहीं है, इसीलिए ये लाइट्स अभी भी ऑफ है। सो ऑफ कोर्स द स्ट्रीट वुड लुक इवन मोर ब्यूटीफुल जब ये लाइट्स ऑन हो जाएंगे तब। Kashmir blanket. It's not Kashmiri, it's Kashmir.
Photography नहीं गए
हाँ।
मैंने केंटा वालों केंटा जो
Yeah.
that is very important.
So do you remember?
Yeah, I did. That's why we came, right? We are going somewhere else. Yeah.
So
Off track.
eventually Mr.
Come on.
Padmalochan Bagh found the way, and we are going back to our car. Yeah.
It was a good walk actually.
It was a good walk, no?
But who knows? He wanted us to walk more. That's why he was taking us.
Secret
I
plan.
think he wanted us to walk more. That's why he took us here and there. Oh, yes. What is that?
So these are rickshaws of Nepal. मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ।
Yes. It's quite expensive.
So guys, we are done with Tamil market of Kathmandu, and yeah, that's it. अब हम होटल वापस चले जाएंगे। बाकी it rained heavily, but still we could somehow make it, and we explored most of the parts of the Tamil market. Yeah. So guys, we are back in our hotel after completely exploring the beautiful Tamil market of Kathmandu, and yeah, it was a superb day. First of all, मैं and मेरे मामा जी and Mr. Mukund uncle, we had a great delicious pizza at Fire and Ice Pizzeria, I guess that's the name of the restaurant in Tamil market. उसके बाद we went ahead to explore the beautiful market. जितना हो सका we walked in the streets of Tamil market. We bought few beautiful souvenirs from the market for beautiful people of our family and friends. तो ये था Tamil market, and it's our last day in Nepal, and during this entire time we had great time, and thanks to Mr. Mukund uncle, his daughter sister Suzanne, and his son-in-law Mr. Paul brother for taking wonderful care of us. And yeah, I have mixed feelings क्योंकि कल हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से छोड़ के, like we are leaving from Nepal, we are going back to India, so I have mixed feelings, yeah. And mixed feelings बोले तो मैं ये बता देता हूँ कि I am both excited, happy, plus kind of sad. Excited because I am going back to my home. Happy because I could successfully complete my vlogging here in a new country. After all, it's my first country outside India, so Nepal would be forever inside my heart. And sad because yeah, we are leaving this place, this beautiful place, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मस्त सा हिल व्यू डेली मिलता था हमको विंडो से. So yeah, वो छोड़ के वी आर गोइंग बैक, तो या थोड़ा तो शायद लगेगा।
कुछ ज्ञान के बाद देंगे बोल रहे थे तुम, क्या था वो ज्ञान का बात?
इट्स अबाउट द ईयर, साल। तो अपने इंडिया में आज का डेट अगर इफ यू सी तो इट्स आई गेस 22 अगस्त 2025 चल रहा है। पर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेपाल, नेपाल ऑलरेडी फ्यूचर में है। कैसे बताता हूँ कि नेपाल का आज जो डेट है वो है 6th मंथ है भाद्र, जो कि 5th मंथ ऑफ द ईयर होता है। एंड साल सुनोगे तो आप चौंक जाओगे, क्योंकि साल चल रहा है, मतलब नेपाली कैलेंडर के हिसाब से साल चल रहा है 2082 एंड हम लोग अभी भी 2025 में है। सो एज पर ट्रेडिशनल नेपाली कैलेंडर द ईयर इज़ 2082 एंड आज का डेट है 6th और मंथ है भाद्र, और भाद्र मंथ इज़ द 5th मंथ ऑफ द ईयर। सो दिस वॉज अ वेरी astonishing yet very interesting fact जो मुझे पता चला अबाउट नेपाल।
ठीक है, ऐसे ज्ञान के बात बताया करें आपके सब्सक्राइबर को, जितने लोग देखते हैं उनको भी समझ में आएगा कि you know what's happening throughout the world, because we are so busy we don't know what's happening. If you just step out of your country, India, come
There
to
are lots
Nepal,
of new things we get to know.
lot of new things, new people,
Yeah.
new food, new weather, new road. Everything is new, new culture.
Yes,
A
definitely.
lot of new things. So
Talking about my experience in Nepal, I really loved the people. People of Nepal are very cooperative, very friendly, very welcoming, very warm. And जितने भी spots मैंने cover किया नेपाल में, I found it very neat and clean. And जितना मुझसे हो सका, I tried covering those beautiful spots of Kathmandu. About Pokhara, Lumbini and few other places. I guess Chitwan, it's a national park, right? Chitawan, right? So those things I'm keeping aside for my next Nepal trip जब मैं next आऊँगा, क्योंकि this is for sure not my last trip to Nepal. I would definitely love coming back again. So yeah, those things I am keeping aside for next trip, क्योंकि because of the bad weather and roads वगैरह बहुत अभी थोड़ा ठीक नहीं है। So इस बार वी जस्ट स्टेड इन काठमांडू, और जितना स्पॉट्स मुझसे हो सका आई ट्राइड कवरिंग दो स्पॉट्स फॉर यू। तो आई होप आपको नेपाल सीरीज़ मेरे व्लॉग मेरे चैनल के थ्रू देख के अच्छा लगा होगा। एंड प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखें, लाइक शेयर कमेंट्स बिल्कुल करें। एंड दैट्स इट। अब मैं नेपाल सीरीज़ को यहाँ पे एंड करूँगा। आई होप आपको एंटायर सीरीज़ अच्छा लगा होगा। सो अंशुमन अनप्लग्ड साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम काठमांडू नेपाल। बाय बाय, टेक केयर। अब मिलते हैं डायरेक्ट हैदराबाद में। सी यू, टेक केयर।